Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Floki. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you a very huge breakout from a down channel that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, it has rallied very well. So far from this low, when we were testing the support here up till this high, it has rallied more than 5,696%. And now it is breaking out this very huge resistance of $0.000174 that has been previously breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. And now, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, it was struggling to break it out. And after so many rejections, finally, we have broken out this resistance. And now we are about to hit the next resistance as well. And during this rally, we have been breaking out different patterns. Like here, it broke out this symmetrical triangle and this falling wedge pattern. And still, you can see that this uptrend line support of this symmetrical triangle is breaking as a nice support. We have been testing this support here, and here as well. And this was the last time when we tested this support here. And therefore, it is breaking as a long-term bull run structure for Floki coin, for this rally of Floki coin. If this bull run structure or this uptrend line support will be broken down, then the situation will be a bit critical. By the way, here we also had another downtrend line resistance as well. You can see that for the past several weeks, it was breaking as a resistance. We got rejection here, and here, so many rejections. And here we also broke out another symmetrical triangle as well. This was the downtrend line support and an uptrend, downtrend line resistance and an uptrend line support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Floki that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 158%. Very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Floki that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Floki formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price end moved slightly down than this potential reversals on here on 5th of March when we had extreme sell-off. But we had a spike beyond the support, but the price end did not break down this potential reversals on, and they covered back very soon, and then we had a very massive pump, and so far it has rallied almost 158%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Floki. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And first, you can see it was moving inside this down channel. And in fact, when it was moving inside this channel in those days, I've been showing you this move, and I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this down channel, because this is a quite long-term resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, the price end can finish this long-term downtrend, and a long-term uptrend will be started. And you can see that it has started a very long-term uptrend. And so far from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 5,696%. And during this rally, we have broken out so many resistance. Like we broke out this resistance of $0.000027. That was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here. And now after the breakout, you can see it has been breaking as a nice support. And after that, we had a very major resistance on here that was starting from 5780 and goes to 8204. Previously, it had been breaking as a resistance on here, resistance on here, resistance on here, and here as well. And finally, we have broken it out. And right now, we are breaking out this quite long-term resistance of 0.00 and 0, 3 times 0, $174. That has been breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. And now, after this breakout, it can be breaking as a strong support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that here we got rejected by this resistance. And after 1 or 2 rejections, finally the price end broke out the resistance. And now we are about to hit the next resistance. Now, if we take a look at the target, let me show you first the target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle. This was the breakout that I was missing in my previous videos. And now you can see that the target for this breakout was here, approximately at 2524, and we have almost achieved that target. In fact, the price line has rallied beyond that target, and this uptrend line is working as a very, very nice bull run structure for Floki, or until or unless it will be not able to break it down, this bull run will be continued. And for example, if you have bought Floki here, when I was showing you this breakout, let me show you when I was showing you that breakout that was just happened. Previously, by the way, I was showing you this move as a falling wedge pattern, and then after that, I was showing you as a down channel because we had some more touch points, and the movement was changed from a falling wedge pattern to a down channel. This was the breakout happening at that time I shared with you almost 4 months ago. And if you have bought Floki at that time when it was breaking out this resistance, then in my opinion, you should hold your Floki until or unless it will not break down this uptrend line support of this previous symmetrical triangle and this bigger symmetrical triangle as well. This can now work as a very, very strong long-term support and bull run structure for Floki. By the way, the technical target for this down channel breakout was here at the top of this channel. That was at $0.0035, and we are almost about to hit that target, and that is also a quite long-term resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.